Lancaster Flour Company. Got an old antique box here. Got a little busted up. That's the bottom out of it. See what it looks like. We'll try to put this thing back together just for a keepsake. See what we can get done. In case you're wondering how I pulled that piece out a while ago without breaking it, it's just about wore down on this side, but these are finger jointed. It's pretty cool. But it just rolled out back here, and I was afraid I'd break some of that if I took it on apart. So I just glued it up best I could with a brush, squeezed it down in there, and hopefully it'll all work. Okay, you can see here, the front of the box has got a split. I want to prevent that from getting any worse. But in order to clamp this, I'm not going to be able to clamp it this way fully because I'm afraid it'll pull it out one way or the other and damage this edge along here that I want to line up exactly where it came apart. So I'm going to try to get some glue in there, and then we'll see how we got to clamp it. All I've done is pushed it down as tight as I can get it. And I've tightened these clamps right up against it so it holds it there. I think that'll work. Well, I guess you got to show the bad with the good. When I put these clamps on earlier, I neglected to put anything here to prevent these clamps from damaging the wood. Now this wood it's old, it's really dry, and it is brittle. And when I put these clamps on, it left an indention, just a little slight indention there on these clamps. I just wasn't thinking, and I guess it's like I say, I guess you got to show the bad with the good. But it'll be fine. It'll be fine when I get it together. Like I said, I'm never going to use this box for anything. It's just a cool looking box.